It's a gun! Welcome back to Daddy and Daughter Plus Water. I'm Lauren. We're here at a creek with the Magnetic Squatch and his son Clay.
See what you found right here. See what Lauren found.
More metal.
It looks like a little angle iron or something. Cool. Alright, I think I have something.
So I found something super heavy, and it's starting to come with me, so I'm putting it out.
GoPro, start recording.
Alright, what do we got here?
Jason has grabbed onto something over here. I'm not really sure what that is, but that is a big piece of metal.
Yeah.
Point on it.
Oh, that'd be great.
Absolutely. Yes, sir.
Alright, guys. What do you think it is? Here's a way to find out what it is.
I don't know what that is.
I don't know either. Samurai sword, that's what I'm calling it.
Sword, right?
Yeah!
We have found and been to places we never would have gone to before without this. Where we found the motorcycle frame. I never would have thought to go down that road.
Right.
But I saw them on the map and I was like, okay, I gotta go check this out. And we ended up pulling up the backside of a motorcycle frame down there.
It's a gun! Wait, is it?
No. Just don't. Alright, let's see what Lauren found.
I thought it was a gun. I thought that, doesn't it kind of look like a shape though?
Does look like a gun, doesn't it?
It does.
I was so scared for a second.
I'm not quite sure. Sometimes that's part of the mystery.
Yeah, it just looks like some scrap metal.
Oh my god, that was so scary.
That's cool, Lauren. First.
But anything like that out of the water.
You did? What'd you get?
I don't know, it's just some more metal.
Oh yeah.
For the first time I haven't gotten nothing.
Alright, I think I have something. Oh yeah, I got something big.
Oh yeah, you do.
I got nothing.
Oh.
Big old rusty piece of metal.
Dad's in second. Ready?
I got the biggest find.
Yep.
Oh, I got something else.
I want that gun.
I just found the fishing line.
Oh, did he?
I could feel it snapping as I was pulling it.
Today we're magnet fishing. And it looks like we found something. Not quite sure what it is, but it's out of the water.
I got something tiny.
You did? Cool. Oh, part of a
Get some more of that.
plate to something.
Yeah.
Alright, it's good to get out.
So far, almost everybody's found something.
Jason's got something.
All right, we got something on here.
Holy crap.
Holy crap. What is it?
It's another gun clip.
It's another gun clip.
Oh my god. Oh, we're gonna get that on video. Alright, Jason just found another gun clip. Alright guys, the maiden throw for my Brute Magnetics double-sided 3,600 pound. That darn carabiner.
Jason's first throw of his Brute 3600 double-sided magnet.
I didn't get the distance that Jason got. Alright, I got something.
Another one of those things that I found earlier. That looks like a sword now.
I don't know what this is.
This looks like a sword.
Got metal.
Samurai sword.
Yeah, that's more of parts of the stuff I'm pulling up.
Big old
What that can
nail
be.
or whatever.
It's a doggy.
Alright, we've got something.
Yeah, you
We may have a rope.
Got a gun.
Oh, I've got Lauren's magnet.
It's a good thing it's a small magnet. So.
Alright, I found a magnet. Oh no! Found this thing. whatever that is.
Drop it and see what it is.
And now,
I was wondering where my magnet was.
yeah.
I think I'd like to get a hand to go to
Big old red hook.
the radio.
Yeah. Alright.
School bell thing.
Lauren found something. Not quite sure what it is. What do you think?
Looks like it's one of the, oh no, I was gonna say flange to the bridge.
Whoa! It squirted on me.
Oh no,
it's
that's
rubber.
That's like a diaphragm for a pump or something.
Cool.
Yeah.
Good job, Lauren. So Lauren just pulled up the tip to a fishing pole. Where's the paper clip? Oh, no, I don't think that's a paper clip. More fishing stuff.
What else?
And lots of bits and pieces.
Like rolled.
I know, that was cool.
You got like a tire.
Catching donuts now? Man, I'm already hungry. Now I see that, I envision a donut. Now I'm hungry.
What's next to sandwich?
I don't know.
It's like the biggest washer. Yeah, I'm kind of.
And we got something else.
I think this spot is.
That looks like part of a shotgun.
It's like a little fish.
GoPro, start recording.
No, I don't think so. I'm not sure what it is. It does look like it could be, but I don't think it is. No.
That's an interesting.
Odd looking. That's part of it. Is it part of a door or a window crank?
That looks like that might be a pump.
It's got this thing that moves and then turns. Yeah, I don't know.
I think this is that piece you pulled up that squirted
Goes
on you.
there.
Went right there, I bet you. Looks like it's part of a pump or something.
Interesting.
Yeah.
All right, guys. We got something interesting here. Hey, come here for a sec. I think it's just a cast net and a weight, but yeah. I assume it's a cinder block that's tied to the bottom, unless that's a box of some sort.
Oh wow.
It's cinder block, isn't it?
Yeah, that's a cinder block. That's like something somebody put down there for a GoPro start recording. GoPro start recording.
Sucker's heavy, you know that.
Right.
It's barely on there.
There we go. Oh, I'm doing the crush.
Let's get this part up because this will help with the weight.
There we go. Oh my.
Is it a cast net?
No, it's not a cast net. Looks like there's a cast net wrapped up in it though, but here, grab that guy.
Let's move this. Is it coming? Oh yeah.
Yep, there it is. It broke loose.
At first I saw that square thing and I'm like, and there's the rope.
Yeah, it's got all sorts of fish. People have been snagged all up on this. That was probably somebody's boat anchor.
All right, guys. Wasn't a bad day. We got some stuff out of the water. Let me show you. So down here is part of a truck, we believe, a wheel well that Jason had found. A bunch of metal random pieces we found. He found a spoon and then he pulled up this. It's a clip or a magazine to a handgun. All right, guys, if you're looking for a magnet, make sure you check out Brute Magnetics. They're the magnets I use. There's a link in the description below so you can save 10% off your purchase. All right, guys, make sure you check out the Magnetic Squatch. He's got a great channel. If you like our channel, you're gonna definitely like his. He's got some cool finds. We're always out together. And remember, where there's water,
There's daddy and daughter.